In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear bumper park assist sensor on your Ford 500, located right here on the back side of your bumper. Now, underneath the vehicle, you're going to access the bumper sensors between the gas tank and the bumper impact beam on the rear of the vehicle. Simply going to reach up and over the top side of the impact beam. You'll be able to reach the sensor on the top. Now, there's going to be two tabs. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're just going to reach up there and lift up on those tabs, one on the top. We're going to slowly work this out. And our goal is to remove the whole sensor with the harness. Wiggle that out. And then we're going to pull that down so we have access to it. Now once you have the sensor out, you have the harness attached to it. And on one side, there is a little tab. So if you spin that around, there's nothing on this side. You spin it around. Now I'm going to use a small pick. You can use a small pocket screwdriver and gently lift up on that. Now while you're doing this, you're going to use your fingers and you're going to pinch on the top here and pull that connector off. Now that I lifted up on that tab, it should be free. I'm going to reach up with the other hand, pinch and pull, and it'll just pop that connector right off. Take your new sensor. When you look at it, there's a tab or a little bump or lock on the side right here. So that is a side that is going to line up with the little tab that we unlocked. Slide that together. You can see that the little tab up here snapped into place. At this point, we can simply push this back up and put it into the bumper. Once you get that in, just push it in. You hear it snap into place. If you need to, you can repeat that process for the other three. If you're only replacing one, then you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.